Hi there, and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an avocado margarita. So if you're ready, let's get shaken. Our first step is going to be to combine all of our ingredients into a shaker. So here we have 3 ounces of tequila. We have an ounce of mezcal to give it a nice smoky flavor. It pairs really well with avocado. A 1/4 of an ounce of our grand orange liqueur concentrate. We're going to use this as a substitution for a orange liqueur. You don't have to use as much, and it gives you just as much flavor. Here is our lime juice, 2 ounces, and a couple ounces here of agave. The main attraction, the avocado. This is just half an avocado, and this drink is going to be made for 2. So if you're going to just make one for yourself, just use a 1/4. You don't need too much. So about a scoop, a little bit of ice. You just need enough to break up the avocado in there. Okay. All right, so after we're done shaking, this is the best part. Of course, we're gonna garnish our glasses with a little lime juice on the rim and then some coarse sea salt, because what is a margarita without a little bit of salt on there? I'm gonna add a little bit of ice into each of these glasses. Now we're just gonna pour equal amounts of this into our glasses. And top it off with a nice lime wheel and a nice hot pepper. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you make this recipe at home, be sure to take some pictures and share it with us on social media. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and newsletter below. That'll ensure you're up to date with all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.